Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Welcome to my new office. I don't know. They got a new background kind of thing. So I'm like, why not trying it? Kind of blurry though. Whatever. All right, so this one's going to be a quick one. I'm extremely late right now. So I had to run to the garage. My dog, that's why I'm also all wet, because my dog decided to go, took my dog outside, and she's kind of blind now. She missed, like, she went in the corner, the pool. She didn't see the pool. She freaking fall in the pool, straight down in the pool, man. Sploosh! You know, that pug was just like chilling in the pool. And I'm like, what the fuck happened? Like, I have no time this morning for this. So now I attached her outside so she can dry and eat at the same time. I'm like, fuck, man. So anyway, so that one, long story short, that one's gonna be a quick one, guys. So I hope you guys ready. We're gonna go fast. So yeah, man, she's blind, so I don't know, man. Hey, morning, Paul. How you doing, bud? That's funny. Yeah, man. It was actually funny to see her face. She was like, I'm like, what the fuck happened, Dad? Like, I'm walking on the concrete and suddenly I'm in water. Like, dude, I'm like, the fuck, man. Anyways, so all right, so man, let's jump into it. Let's jump into it, boys. I hope you guys ready. We're gonna go fast. I was so busy as that I didn't even have time to look at the market. I know one of our students took a trade and got a on Euro NZD 3-1. Fuck yeah, Raph, man. Let's fucking go, dude. Good job, man. All right, so let's see now. Let's see. All right, so let's start with GJ. Guys, get your pen, get your notes, get your chart ready, because I'm telling you, we're gonna be flying. We're gonna be flying. So I really hope you guys ready. All right, just check here. And don't be shy, guys. By the way, welcome back for the existing followers. Welcome for the new one. Drop a hi in the comment. Good morning, ding dong. Ding dong. And drop a hi in the comment. Let me know where you're from, if it's your first time or not. And yeah, let's get going. All right, so cool. All right, so we got GG here. GG looking at the weekly time frame. We are bullish. Look like this new weekly candle that started on Sunday just dropped straight down. No top wick so far. The date is still bullish, but I mean, if today closed under here, we're gonna be flipping bearish. So at this stage for me, GJ, there's not much I can do. So I'm gonna skip that right away. USD CHF, I'm so mad. I mean, not mad, but I was waiting for that pair for a little while and looked like I missed the trade because the entry was during London session or Asian session. I can't remember. But if you look, the weekly is bearish. Okay, weekly is bearish. And I was really waiting for the daily pullback inside that golden zone, which happened on Friday. And yesterday I was extremely busy, so I didn't have time to look at the market. But yeah, so now let's see. Are we too late? Boom, boom, boom. I guess there were probably an entry here. That's exactly what I said to some of the students here. I said, hey guys, crazy day, for the first time. Yeah, was waiting for USD CHF4. Might have another possible entry if pullback in H4 golden zone. And this is exactly what happened. I mean, we were just a little short, you know, price pull back up here. The interest of the golden zones right here. So, I mean, pretty decent. Let's go, let's just check. My God, bro. The Frenchie's having a hard time this morning. So, let's just see if we can have, yeah, no, it was ranging. Not that great. I mean, yeah, here at 4, but you don't want to enter just before market close. Doesn't make sense. Maybe here at midnight, And here at 3 a.m. London Open, I don't know. It was rangy, so I guess not. So I guess I didn't miss it yet. All right, so now let's see. Same kind of thing here. Now we got the H4 pullback. Let's delete this. Oops. Delete. All right, cool. Why it's not deleting? Delete. I hate when TradingView does that. All right, let's go back to USDCHF, H4. Here we go. All right, cool. So now let's check the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, we are bearish. We have a new lower low. Now we got this pullback. What about the 30 minute? 30 minute kind of flipped back bullish. What the fuck? Okay. Because I mean, yeah, we have a clean elbow here. So all right. So now for USDCHF, I have no time. I have no time. No choice that to wait for the switch of structure, right? So 30-minute bull. Here we go. Perfect. So I'm gonna place an alert here. That's gonna say 30-minute going bearish. Okay, now let's see. By the way, guys, if you have any pair you want to take a look at, pair that you're looking, or you're not sure, question, don't hesitate. Look at Euro GPY. What a push, man. What a push. So now, can we have like, already had 2 wins on Euro GPY. So that's pretty cool. Did close before, obviously, on Friday. Close at the, I think was it a 2-2-1 or very close to it? Yeah, it was a little bit more than a 2-2-1. I closed, I think it was like somewhere, yeah, close to a 2 point something, but it was not 2.2 though, 2 point something. But yeah, so 2 win already on Euro GPY. So now let's see if we can keep rocking that pair. Now if you look at the weekly now still bullish, obviously still bullish. Let's delete all those. Delete. And there we go. Perfect. Okay, so now the daily is also bullish. Actually, yeah, it's still bullish for now until this one closes. But right now, this is exactly where I want it. Actually, no, sorry. This was the first pullback here. So this is gone. And here we have this elbow. So it all depends on how this daily is going to close. If this daily is going to close under here, we're going to be flipping bearish. And what I'll do, because this one will be overdue for a huge pullback on the weekly. So this pair, I am definitely interested in doing a counter trend trade based on the daily and H4. So if the daily flips bearish today, tomorrow I'll wait for H4 obviously to be bearish, which is the case soon as this one closes. And yeah, so yeah, definitely Euro GPY. I'm gonna mark it to, let's do, put it orange, because orange usually are my day trade, and counter trend trade is gonna be a day trade. So all right, so CAD GPY now. Man, I'm so late right now. I'm trying to rush, guys, but don't be shy though if you have any question, okay? Okay, so weekly time frame here, you can see that I didn't update my chart yet, so I'm doing this with you guys live. All right, so we're weekly is bullish, daily is also bullish. Nice pullback here. Let's delete this so get this thing clean. We already broke that one down on Forex stock over here. All right, so now from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, let's establish our new golden zone right here, which is, we are right on it. Hell yeah. Hell F yeah. Here we go. All right, cool. So that's cool. Weekly bullish, daily bullish inside the golden zone. H4 is bearish though. Yes. So H4 lower low and H4 lower high. So no matter what, I need H4 to go bullish to be able to take this trade, which is perfect because I'll show you. It's going to give us a bigger RR. I'll show you why. H4 going bullish. Bring to the front. All right, cool. So if this one closed like this, it's perfect because we're going to bring this line down here, this there, and now our alert is going to be here. So our RR is going to be better. Okay. So that's great. Cat GPY definitely looking nice. I'm actually going to flag that green because this is super extremely close to be ready. That so far is the nicest one. All right, so CHF GPY. Let's see, weekly we are bullish. I mean, all those GPY pair, man, they open up and synced because look at this. Look at this push on the weekly, man. So CHF GPY is definitely a pair that might look like Euro GPY. I mean, CAD GPY didn't had a pretty big push, but Euro GPY had a pretty massive push here. Let's take a look at the daily now. Daily, same thing. All right, so we're not. Oop, this is Euro GPY session. Let's go back. All right, so weekly we said bullish. Daily still bullish. Entering super close to that daily golden zone. H4 now is one bullish from there to there and bearish from here. There we go. From there to there. All right. So this one not ready yet because I mean the daily is bullish and the weekly is bullish. So that one is getting super close. So we're also gonna flag that green because I want to keep an eye on it. But again, don't forget we had such a massive push on the weekly that, you know, I'm gonna be careful because this we might need a bigger pullback. You know, so let's say that this weekly candle closed bearish. Just imagine. I just want to give you an idea. Because if that one closed bearish, that means we can use the fib and have an idea on where price might pull back. So that means that let's say that this candle right here is closed. I can now use this. This isn't valid right now as we speak, okay? But just to give you an idea, that means that we can have a price pulling back down to this area, maybe a little lower to actually retest previous structure point to go up. And this is my safety net. This is the last area where I want to take a trade. So if it's the case, I'm going to go counter trend trade. But so far, nothing indicate for sure we're going to counter trend trade because don't forget, there's also no top wick on that weekly candle. Meaning that there's, I mean, if it closed with no top wick, there's less probability for price to continue to the upside. But like when a new candle open up for like the second day and has no top wick, there's a pretty big probability of price will come back up to create that top wick, right? Because I mean, if you look at the weekly chart here, I mean, look on, let's say you shrink that there. Oops, sorry. Just to give you an example, guys. Oh, god damn. Here we go. So let's say you shrink this, okay? And now you're looking at, since now you got almost 2 years of data, okay? 2 years of data, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. On 2 years of data, there's 4 weeks that had no bottom wick or no top wick, okay? So that tells you that most of the time, and again, I'm not saying 100% of the time, but most of the time, can we agree that 4 weeks out of over 2 years of data is most of the time? Okay, can we all agree on this? Please put a thumbs up in the chat if you agree. All right, cool. So now, all right, so I think we talked about that one. All right, so good. USD CHF, we talked about it. Euro GPY, we talked about it. AUD GPY, ding dong agree. Perfect. Thank you, bud. All right, so weekly time frame, we are bullish on AUD GPY. We're back down here at this daily golden zone, daily area of interest. Perfect. This is what I was waiting for. We got now a new lower low, which is even better. Perfect. Do we have an elbow here? Yeah, kind of an effy elbow. Oh well. All right, so I'm gonna keep that one there. I'm gonna flag it green because we are at the area. EuroCAD, yeah, I'm going fast, guys. Not gonna go over all the pairs this morning, unfortunately, because I'm late. But this is something we draw on last Tuesday morning. Okay, this is something we draw on. What the fuck? Oh yeah, okay. This is something I draw on Tuesday morning last week because sometimes I swear. Okay, here we go. Because this is exactly what I was expecting price to do, you know, to come down to this area, to eventually come back up. And I said it's going to take maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So far, we are on week 2. And we are at the daily area of interest. So this is the area where price, you know, might reject from, okay? And not go into the weekly golden zone, okay? That was a probability and a possibility. That's why I draw that zone. And also, if you look now, we're probably, I'll just make sure I draw that correctly. Here we go. Perfect. So now we are also at 382 on the fib on the daily, so which is also an area of rejection. So yeah. Anyways, so weekly bullish, daily bullish, H4 went back bullish now. H4 went back bullish. So we went bearish from here to here, and we just closed above. Huh, interesting. Okay. Interesting. Very, very interesting. What about H1? H1 is also bullish. Okay, boys. There's so much noise though on the left of this area. $30-minute is also bullish. But we're freaking ranging. Okay. Trying to see here. That is a huge wick to fill. Yeah, I have a feeling that we just went. You see, look at this. All right, so this is. Look at this wick. Look at this wick. Look at this wick. You know how that trend. You know, we always respected previous high on those wick, This one world previous low. This one so far still respecting it, but we are at the beginning of the week. So yeah, I will be patient with that one. I still think we're gonna go I'm thinking. I hate the noise on the left. So yeah, I if it shoot up, I miss the trade and I'm okay with it. Um, nope, I don't trust it. No, no, no. I'll wait. All right, cool. So I'm gonna keep it blue. GCAD. For people wondering why I'm all wet on my t-shirt, because my dog fall in the pool right before the beginning of the stream. So, um, fucking dog. All right. So weekly here, GCAD is bearish now. All right. GCAD is now bearish. All right. What about daily? Daily is also bearish. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let's go back to the weekly then. Weekly coming back up to retest previous structure point. Do we have another area of interest on this side? Not really. This is in 2015, so this is super extremely far. All right, so that's why we love our friend Fib here. Do we have an area of interest on the daily? Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that one is solid. All right, so boom. I guess like this, like this, like that. So that is a daily area of interest. I'm gonna stretch it a bit. Boom. All right, and something else I'm gonna do is my 50. I have an idea on where price might pull back. And look at this. How cute the fuck is this? Look at the oh man, I love when this happens. I just love it. This is my best trade. Whoops. This is usually my best trade. And oh what oh whoa, here is the cherry on top of it. Oh, look at this. And we also got the infamous MQP, major QP. Bam. Look at this. 3 core influences. I want price to go here. Alert. All right. We actually almost went back there. I'm going to show you. Daily entering DGZ, just GZ, MQP, daily area interest. Perfect. Perfect. Look, price went like this. I consider that price went there, but since we closed like engulfing one, I will not be surprised to actually reach a little higher in this area. What about H4? H4 is now bullish. Perfect. Excellent. This is perfect. This is perfect, 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 perfect. Capital P. Capital motherfucking fucking P. Alright, this is going green. And this is going to be the second nicest one. Alright, so weekly bearish. Daily bearish. H4 bullish. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Alright, so now alert here. H4 coin bearish. Perfect. Alright, cool. Let me see if we have any question, comments. I think not great. Jay loves it. Best. 100%. Yeah, fuck yeah, man. Alright, your GPP. Alright, let's do 3 more, okay, because I gotta run, man. I'm extremely late right now. 3 more. Okay, so if you have a special pair you want to take a look at, let me know right now. Now it's the time. What pair you think is the most ready or closest to be ready? Because I don't want to do them all. If not, I'm just gonna go like with what's next. I'll start with that one, and the next two one you guys can give me suggestion. All right, so your GPP. Let's see. Weekly is bullish, but we are at the higher high here, which is not that great. But we can look for a continuous trade, maybe. Not with a doji on last week, though. Yeah, I'm not interested. So let's do CAD CHF quickly before you guys give me any suggestion. All right, so CAD CHF, we're bearish, close weekly engulfing bullish, meaning that we might have a pullback now. Yeah, all right, cool, perfect. So I'm gonna keep that one there, so that's good. NZD very not exciting. Not exciting. Not exciting. Maybe exciting, actually. That's been a while. What? Oh, that's a daily. Weekly? Yeah, we already had that pullback now. No. Oh, look at this. Wow, there's no volume, though. ADCHF. No, EuroCHF. Yeah, fuck me, dude. Like, if anyone trade EuroCHF right now, deserve to be slapped behind the head. Like, majorly. Like, major to fuck me. Like, a slap in the face and a kick in the butt. Same thing with this fucking bullshit pair right now. I mean, look at this, dude. If you trade GA also, you deserve to be fucking bitch slapped. Same thing with GN. Get yourself a slap. Dude, if you traded those pairs in the past couple days and weeks, you deserve to be slapped. This, I swear, dude. If someone traded NZD CAD, not only you deserve a bitch slap, you deserve, like, man, you deserve to be banned from TradingView. Alright, so let's see. Fuck that shit. Alright, cool. I think we're good. Excellent. Alright, so this is it, boys. Sorry, man. This one was extremely fast. Let's see here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try my best to be live again on Thursday night, Forex Talk Over Beer. Make sure to activate notification to know when I'm going on live. Thank you so much for watching. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. And I wish you an amazing rest of the day. Peace out.